Bike is dirty. I don't know about this mount. It looks cheap. We're gonna try it over here. I think it's just gonna bounce off and get crooked on me. But we'll see. Let's go have an exciting journey. It's Saturday. Let's see what happens when it starts up. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Nothing else, we'll drop it and hang it on a different side, somewhere else. I got everything tethered. It should be fine. I'm gonna take a little check right here. Make sure that little bit, yeah. Unless I hit a big bump, I should be good to go. Well, I can feel the air blowing through my feet with these Alpine Stars on. They're not as probably protective as my biker leather boots. Got a guy who wants to ride up on my butt. Let's go. It's always that way. They're in a hurry. It's Saturday morning. Got places to go, things to do. Gonna go to the Langley Speedway. Well, there were some good bumps that should tell the story. And I can't see my mount. We'll check it at the next stoplight. Exactly 44 and a 45. I can't do it. Got to have that 1 mile an hour.
Guess what? I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.
And the only prescription is
I gotta have more cowbell.
1 mile an hour more MPG, more MPH, more cowbell. Guy's way back there. He's probably doing 42. He got his right. He paid his dues. Probably paid his taxes. You want to do 3-4 miles an hour under the speed limit? That's up to you. So I did a 4K yesterday for the first time. Looks like my computer is able to move the files. Has the ever so slightest lag once in a while when I go to move something, a hesitation, but just barely. I did notice my cameras when I took them off the bike were much hotter, so that just proves the bigger settings you use, the more heat you will generate. Hey, welcome back to the Motovlog Virginia channel, where we just start off on topic, and it could be a multiple topic. I don't know. I'm trying to stick to one, and it's a lot to talk about for just one topic. You know, we gotta have variety. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just talking nutso. So I got this Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a somewhat complicated. I forgot to look and check my camera. It's a somewhat complicated. There you go. Roll it on over into my lane too. See if I care. We'll just go on up ahead. And we will see if it's worth doing 4K. Anyway, and the Adobe, yeah, so anyway, I'm all over the place. Did my first 4K yesterday, right? By the time I got everything home and done and uploaded on the computer, I accidentally deleted a file that was had like a lot of the main stuff on. So I don't even know if I want to bother with the uninterrupted, but you know, I could probably lose a lot of information. Do a part 2 here, I don't know, and still get the point across. Nobody gonna watch it much anyway. It's not that big a deal. But I hope to see if there's a difference in my 4K. Hope nobody drops a hammer. Or on this side. 24 frames per second, it looked good to me. But by the time you get it on YouTube and upload, you could probably just as well shot at 1080p, save some heat for your camera. I don't think the heat has bothered it. We'll see if it ever... No, my cameras don't shut off from the heat no more, that's for sure, since I've been doing 1080p and what, 30 frames per second, which is not bad. I'm gonna go 30 frames. I might as well go down to 24, get the full motion, because he's still not gonna get a very good slow motion look at 30 frames per second. Less frames per second, less details you get on the slow-mo, in case you didn't know. Not everybody knows all that stuff. Guy's passing me, and I've got nowhere to go except to tailgate. Oh, so it's disappointing. So today we'll try another 4K with 24 frames per second. We'll try to do a motovlog, and I'll do everything edited with the Adobe Photoshop Premiere Pro. My friend John from Road Reality was a bit disappointed in my choice, being as he's a Da Vinci guy. We got a real tailgater now. I gotta focus on that and not on my motovlog. Yeah, they backed off a little bit. Sometimes they don't realize how close they are when you're on a or following a motorcycle. So he does a Da Vinci Resolve. He has a channel for Da Vinci well, it's not really, it's for electronics and cameras and editing and so on. Oh, we're back tailgating. I did a hooligan, I just dropped a gear. I think they got the point anyway. Most people just makes them more angry, they follow even closer. Don't promote your own road rage out here. That was probably not a good idea for me. I try it. If you don't succeed, I guess on that first try, you don't want to get them too angry. You just drop it and just keep on going, you know. I'm not going to tailgate somebody though up in front of me, especially if somebody else is tailgating me. They definitely backed off. So yeah, this will be the second video, unless I don't edit the first one. I already got it in the Adobe Pro. Whoa, yeah, that's going to really test my camera mount. I got a camera mount on the muffler side, the exhaust side. I have no muffler there. the pipe side. They're mounted to the rear shock. Let's see how it does. We're going to stop up here by Old Glory and see what happens. And Old Glory is way over there. It's looking good. There's my tailgater, so we're good. I got another one to watch to see if they do the same thing. We're cool though. There, he got around me at least. That's cool. What's the hurry? There's nowhere to go. Got a loaded freeway here, full of cars. I'm getting off this freeway. That's what I've been doing lately, is getting off the freeway earlier, because it sucks. A lot of drivers trying to get somewhere fast. Look at Old Glory in her full glory. She's been up a few days now. I think it started this week sometime. I've been thoroughly happy to see that. There you go, Old Mac. We got Old Glory going. Hey, it kind of matches my gloves, hey? That's what I thought. Oh, we got the fishermen out today, dropping off their boats. Hopefully they're getting in them and going with them. Stop sign. I keep forgetting. Let's focus. Focus. When we get up here to, oh, this stop sign. I had to hit that bump really hard. Thank you, Virginia. Thank you for the roads. I thought we were civilized. Let's go check out that camera mount real quick. Let's see what it looks like. Holy smokes. It's repairing. It was repairing. wasn't on the whole time. Who knows? You can get some weird things happening. You don't know where it stems from. Bad connection, bad cord. Once in a while you gotta change things up and fiddle with stuff. I've been doing okay with this cord, but I got it stretched across, and in the back of my what do I got back there? I got some little storage compartment thing, zipper upper doer. I forgot what it's called, but it's really a good one. It's nice. And I got the battery mounted down so it don't slide all around. But it does get a lot of hard bouncing and movement, just like I did because of these roads. You could get just a split-second disconnection, and I think it's only 30 here, not 35. That's why. No, I don't know. We'll see. Don't pull out. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. Just want to go at a natural pace down here. That natural pace is breaking the speed limit. That's what the natural pace is. I should go so slow I end up tailgating. I'd rather not do that. So there we go. We've had flags, we've had bad roads in Virginia, we've had DaVinci Resolve. We talked about another motovlog creator, Road Reality, John from Road Reality, who has a motovlog channel, plus he has the camera equipment, editing, all that hee-haw, which takes a lot of brain power, which John has. He'll fix you up with resolve any issues you may have with DaVinci. See how quick as soon as I thought that, the Resolve with DaVinci Resolve, that's the name of the program. I really piped up and like, ooh, hey, the Resolver, and we'll help you out. I'm stubborn. I went with, I already got an Adobe account, and I've been using Photoshop I want to say my whole life, but my whole life since 2000. So that's 25 years, right? Partial to it, you would say. I know some of its lingo, what it means, what it says. The kind of the layout is somewhat similar to Photoshop, because I've been using Adobe Photoshop, like I say, forever. So the Adobe Premiere Pro has a lot of attributes that are similar. So I can kind of figure some of the stuff out without having to ask Google. And Google now sends me on over to AI. I don't have to look up a form or look up whatever. I can just listen to what the hell AI says. That's what it seems like. Alright, we'll wrap the video up. We're on the home stretch. I got probably 1, 2, 3 blocks or so. Yeah. And got a job to do today. Hallelujah. Thank you, Lord. And we're doing the 4K. Thanks for all those who comment and help me out with my motovlogging experience, and keep me motivated, and the sincere love and thanks, and followers that give me feedback. Mikey from the England side over there gave me some feedback that was quite helpful. Not so much with the rear view. I try to switch up views like every few seconds. They say it captures some of the whatever attention stuff, but whatever as far as that. But I listen to what the guy says, and I try to do a little less of it, do it when it's really needed or important, and say nothing about the front-on view. But certain things certain people like, it's like when they go to a restaurant, you can't make everybody happy. I try to keep a pretty open menu with some variety. I may not hit it all the time, but those are tips. I was somebody who was concerned, wanted to help me, wanted to say something, and did it. So if y'all would do that, that would be awesome as well. I don't know how long. I had a little dealing with Bob stayed on, but more will be revealed. Let's get in here. We'll see in a minute. There you go. Whew, she's hot down here. Bye-bye.